All right, guys, we just arrived to fucking Old Rag. We're about to take a little shot ski of some fireballs.
That are currently on the hood of the truck still.
Oh, shit. There's a bunch of gnats out here, but we'll be fine.
All right, everybody's got to put it in their mouth and let go with their hands and take it.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's good.
Oh, Coop's just got to do it, not cheers. Fireball.
Ooh. Gross. Damn. Anything you like to say, Cooper?
But it's fun. You can't start a fire up there.
Oh, just starting the hike. About to get real.
Beyond
See what you got, Coop. See what you got. Oh, shit. Oh, no.
The moss, man. You fucked the moss up.
Sheesh.
You're like a cat, man. Like, you grab onto the curtains and you're like...
And that's why I like doing the rock scramble. I like getting this bullshit out the way.
Ooh.
It's tough.
As soon as you record,
We're on the casting couch with Christian Cooper here.
I know. How you feeling, Ray?
And you know, halfway there, halfway not. And about 1% of the way.
Log section.
So.
I think you're doing great. Just got the dad fin on today.
It's a dad fin.
Love it.
Got my Secret Service hat on just in case you motherfuckers want to try me.
We got Mr. Miller over here.
Howdy, guys. How we doing? We out here.
The second Miller in the group.
2 Millers.
Or maybe the first, I don't know.
Going up the mountain, guys.
We're doing it. This is great. Nice Saturday with the boys.
Saturday. This is our Saturday. What even is a Saturday?
I work every Saturday.
All the days, yeah, cool. All the days are the fucking same, bro.
This is my jam, though.
Ham jam sandwich.
Oh, oh. Keep that thing on you, but it's getting real, y'all. We're hitting the steep part, but we out here. Just fucking made it to, I guess this is the Trailhead.
Yeah, no, I feel you.
I know, that shit got me too.
Guess how much we spent at 7-Eleven this morning?
Oh, I appreciate it, man.
Like 50 bucks?
70 bucks.
I said like 42. Let's see what you're working with.
Huh?
Like
A little bit, yeah. How's it going? Good, yourself?
Good.
Beautiful day.
It is awesome.
Are there a lot of people up there?
Not a lot, no.
Cool.
Where'd you guys park at?
The first lot. Not the original one, but the new one. Yeah.
The Ranger huts right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, I was a little freaked out at places.
Is this your first time?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
You guys are from around here? You've done this before?
We're about an hour and a half, but this is normally, I try to do this at least once a month and make a routine out of it.
Bye, guys.
You too, safe hiking.
Have a good one. Ironman's clutch. Which one's your favorite, Austin? The original Ironman, second or third? That OG one?
I don't know, the original's cool when he's stuck in the Taliban tunnel or whatever and he makes his own suit to get out.
Exactly, yep. The second one, you know, he took it to the next level.
You want me to get out of it?
Oh, here you go.
It's actually my turn 2 years later. I get to be in your picture.
Hell yeah.
This is how birds feel. Oh my God, this is how birds feel.
All right, we're almost at the top. We got like a little bit more left, and then we up there. We're gonna make a little podcast at the top, so it should be pretty interesting. But hike's been going good. We let me check in with y'all. We're 4.39 miles. I'm sorry, I'm dyslexic. 4.93 miles. 2 hours and like 30 minutes in. Chugging along. Not bad. Ramon and Austin, they went a little further up. I'm here with Coop. Coop's made a little quick work call. The man busy, you know. Bro, like one reason I love coming out here is just you'll see when we get to the top, but it's just so peaceful, guys. Super quiet. Literally, I'm gonna just let y'all hear for a couple seconds of like what it sounds like out here. Well, you probably hear Cooper talking, but the gist of the story is it's freaking quiet, it's peaceful. It's a nice getaway, you know, especially busy with life and work and all that type of stuff. It's just good to unplug a little bit. So, we'll see y'all at the top.
We're on Jordan's field trip right now.
No. No way.
Ah, shit. Yeah, I think y'all can just keep going, honestly. You guys just, it looked like you just pooped out of the woods.
Sorry guys for holding you guys up.
Summer breeze makes me feel fine.
Almost busted my ass. Damn, boys. We made it to the summit. Old rag. We made it to the summit, y'all. We're fucking here. Hell yeah. Whoa. Wow, dude. Wow, Cooper. Congratulations, guys. Achievement unlocked. The little Xbox noise. We gotta set up a nice shop. That would have been bad. I would have busted my ass. Oh, I have to get a video of that. That shit's pretty deep. Damn. That's insane, bro.
I saw like 3 videos of roller coaster accidents like 2 days ago. I haven't seen them in forever, and they popped up on my feed, and one of them was the claw, you know, the big claw that spins around.
Oh.
It rocked this way, and it came this way, and the person's seat opened halfway through this way and sent them flying across the park. And I'm like, well, there goes that guy, you know,
Where
like
did you see that on Twitter?
Instagram.
So if you guys want to finish that podcast, the link will be in the description. Check it out. Shot like a 30-minute podcast up on Old Rag. Really good stuff. The channel name is called Open Air Podcast. We came up with the channel name literally up there. So check it out. Good stuff. I will link it in the description. All right, guys, back to the video. Zoop. Chill out, Cooper.
Hop, skip, and a jump.
Ooh.
Wow.
Look at those flowers over there.
Oh shit! I just see that.
There's red flowers on the rock.
Somebody planted those.
I'm sorry.
We out here. Beautiful view. I was like, what the fuck is that over there?
What's up?
Beautiful view. That's a tight ass squeeze, bro. Oh shit! Oh. Oh, we gotta go this way. Like right here. Bought a sheep.
Bought our sheep. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. No.
So once we get past this, it gets a little interesting. And then I'll swap off. Coop, if you want to get to that platform, because I'm going to swap with Austin. Yeah, like right there. Because you're definitely going to need 2 hands right here. And then...
Fucking that rock, boy.
You literally have to do that shit.
You got to.
Oh, yep, I'll come up this way.
Yeah, you can. Taking that tree to Pound Town, baby.
I'm going to go down. I got you.
Fuck that tree, baby.
Tree, dude, what the fuck?
I mean, fuck that.
I said tree the whole time.
Those calf muscles on that video.
He's like, damn. Oh yeah.
Wow, look at Austin.
Oh shit, I didn't even see that.
Oh shit.
Back
Oh shit. How do I
You look like you're taking a shit on me.
outside, boys. Back outside, boys. It looks like a tortoise. Like that's his head.
It looks like Master Igwe from fucking Uruguay.
Panda.
From
Kung Fu Panda.
I'm telling you, if you
Y'all
look
are
at it from here,
stupid.
bro, I probably down to the ears and everything.
That's crazy.
Shifu. There is just news. There is no good or bad.
Slippery. Leash me.
Whoa. You.
There's some, I think there's some snake skins down there.
Big ones?
Yeah, they're snake skins. They look pretty big if that's what they are.
They're onion rings.
What?
Look, Jordan.
Damn. That's far.
Daddy long leg.
That can't bite us. Up. Proceed. Up. Hell yeah. How you feeling, Ray?
Feeling good?
Yes, sir.
Early in the scramble. Been scrambling.
We scrambling like some eggs, boy.
They gotta repaint that blue.
Down where the arrow is.
RB26 or R26.
This is what?
R26.
Say hello to the people of the internet. Yeah, this is that spot.
These bitches are
Definitely get
slippery.
some pics of this. Super glue.
You think that was already there?
Look at the hole from the erosion though.
Literally.
So you know that piece was on top of a rock.
Look how flat it is.
Hold up. Let me catch my breath.
Bam.
Pinto tie.
Got any?
I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah. You're in there. Of course. I got you. All right, we're making our way down the mountain, boys. We're gonna get some pinto tie. After this is only a ritual. Every time we come to Oreg.
Jordan,
Here.
I want to check this out.
Ah shit.
Spooky.
Ah shit. But yeah, every time we come to fucking Oreg, we hit pinto's high. And that's where we're going. What happened?
You think like in the next 10 years, 12 years or so?
Look at this rock. How it's just like layered away.
Where? That is pretty cool. Damn. My turn. Oh shit.
Where did he go?
This is the Haunted Fest.
I would camp here
Shit.
until a bear comes to its home at night.
Domino's or Papa John's, Austin?
Domino's is good.
I think I gotta swing Domino's, bro.
Domino's.
Domino's. It's just better. At the angles. Oh shit! Oh fuck! That was a close call. Meg the Stallion.
Pretty nice, huh?
I'm keeping it. It's coming home with me.
It's mine now.
Only 499 more pounds to go. Oh, we got another one.
You know, these are what aliens use. You know what I mean?
I just threw them at people.
Build the pyramids.
That's pretty clean.
No match against the Miller Man.
Should look like it got hieroglyphics on it, matter of fact. I like rocks.
Rocks are nice. We're standing on a big rock.
So when I climbed, Wales was just up here. When I went climbing here, we came down here and went all the way down there. And we did about 8 miles of bushwhacking around the mountain that way because there's a lot of really good climbing over there. There's a run called Strawberry Fields. It's a straight crack climb. They call it Strawberry Fields because your hands are bleeding when you're done. But if you go that way, it gets to the Whales Lip area, and we did a 2-pitch climb up there, so you'll get to see where we came up.
Really?
8 miles of
Fuck,
bushwhacking,
you
though?
guys know that there's 8 miles of bushwhacking to fucking trails and good hike or good mountain or climbing shit.
Online forums, I mean, word of mouth, you know, like,
They're like, so once you get here, go down there. About 8 miles of bushwhacking.
yeah. There's a lot of good climbing up here, but it's just like it's a 4.5 mile hike to get up here with all your gear, and then the bushwhacking factor, you know, like.
Ooh, caress it like that. That rock likes that.
Let's see.
What R are we on? Is it that? R1 million. I'm just gonna fuck it. Oh, there's a handle right here. That's perfect.
I'm gonna get to that.
Yeah, Ray.
I got to that bitch, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
I was scared.
What's that? It's just a shot of your ass.
Love it.
See, I thought that was somebody at a fucking pine. Oh, damn.
Hold on. That last one took a lot out of me.
Eventually.
That ain't no problem. That ain't no problem.
You said what?
That ain't no problem. You don't want
To the whale's ass, bro.
We're getting there.
Yeah.
You got it. Just walk right up that shit.
And if I breathe in through my nose and out through my mouth, I'll be good.
What's down there?
Just like fucking brush and shit. Snake probably.
Huh.
Yes.
That shit's gonna be
Yes,
so
it is.
fucking slap, bro. Woo! R21. We made it, boy.
Redskins 21. Sean Taylor, rest in peace.
Yeah, Coop. Hit him with that levitation, boy. Dang, all these fucking gnats or whatever.
cutsies. I gotta take them around the other way though.
Gotcha. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I would love, bro, if I had my drone.
Yeah, it's not
It's
not a windy day either.
This is literally a perfect day to fly. I'm gonna go up top just to get a couple pics.
All right.
Oh wow. Oh, it's really bright outside. Check it out. Wow. Shit. Wow.
Open air.
Open air podcast?
Yeah.
Open air.
We're always outside.
I like that. I gotta get some more mics. I like open air.
I do like open air. I feel like it sounds like newsy though, so I feel like someone might have it.